I'm Dr. Umar. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. So I'm already associated with Dr. Vaibhav and Dr. Javed since the past 2 years, and I've seen them work many times before. बहुत सारे implant cases देखे. But since I've always practiced conventional, so I was always I was in favor of conventional implants, and I had this fear that and people have also told me that that there are a lot of failures in basal implants. But then I saw Vaibhav sir working, Javed sir working, so I realized that they must be doing something differently, such that they're getting such good results. And that is the reason I joined this course, and I am very happy about it. I feel very privileged to be a part of this course. In 3 days, sir has covered so many topics. He's explained to us in such a simple manner that a person who doesn't have any idea about basal implantology can also understand the concept very clearly. So I would like to thank Vaibhav sir and Javed sir. So because in spite of their busy schedule, they still remove time to conduct this course, and pass on whatever learnings they have acquired throughout the years. So again, I'm thankful for that. And the course was really great, and we got a lot of knowledge from both the mentors. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.